If you have TikTok application on your phone, this update is for you. Zealy is currently sharing 5,000 USDT to TikTok creators. All you have to do is to make a short video talking about Zealy and post it on your TikTok like what I'm doing right now. So if you don't know how to go about this, make sure to watch this video to the end. I'm going to show you guys step by step how to register and join this campaign. So make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like and drop your comments. So without wasting much of your time, let me go to my phone screen and show you guys step by step how to do it. So guys, the first thing you're going to do is to head over to your browser and type in zealy.io. So once you type in zealy.io, you are going to do your registration. So I've already signed up, but you are going to do your registration, input your email. So once you input your email, they will send code to your Gmail, like they will send verification code to your Gmail. Do your registration. It's very, very simple and easy, like you are signing up on a website, so it's nothing complicated. So once you are done with your sign up, this is what you are going to do. Click on this my community. You are going to click on this three line here. So you click on your account. You are going to see this account setting. So you tap on this three line at the top here. Tap on link account. So once you tap on link account, you are going to connect your Discord account, connect your Twitter, connect your TikTok, and your Telegram. So but all this one, they are not that important. The only one that is very important before you join this campaign is your TikTok. So you need to connect your TikTok account first before you can be able to join this TikTok campaign. Hope you understand. So after connecting your TikTok account, so this is what you are going to do now. After your registration and you have connected your TikTok account here, you are going to go to my Telegram channel. So this is my Telegram channel, you can see here. So the link is going to be in the description of this YouTube video, or I'm going to be dropping it in the comment section. So join my Telegram channel. So once you are in my Telegram channel, you are going to see this link. This is the link to join the campaign directly. So you are going to click on the link. So once you click on the link, the next thing you are going to do is just to click on register. That is all. So once you click on this register, you have already registered. I don't want to do the registration again because I've done with my own already. So I'm just showing you guys how to do it. So just tap on register, then you are good to go. Then start making videos on TikTok about Zealy. So this is exactly how to do it. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I will see you in my next post.